Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to scan drive with error checking in Windows 10 and keep your computer running smoothly. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen and open File Explorer from the menu. File Explorer is where you can access all your files, folders, and system drives. This is the starting point to check any drive on your computer. Step 2. Inside File Explorer, click on this PC from the left sidebar to view all available drives. Here you will see your local disks, including the main system drive. This section helps you identify which drive you want to scan. Step 3, right-click on the drive you want to scan, usually the C drive, and then select Properties from the menu. The C drive is typically where Windows is installed. Opening Properties allows you to access tools and settings related to that drive. Step 4, in the Properties window, click on the Tools tab at the top. The Tools tab contains maintenance and error checking options for your drive. This is where you manage drive health and performance features. Step 5, under the error checking section, click on the check button. This feature scans the drive for file system errors and bad sectors. It helps prevent data loss and improve system stability. Step 6, when prompted, click on Scan Drive to begin the error checking process. Windows will now start examining the selected drive for any issues. This process runs automatically and ensures your drive is functioning properly. Step 7, wait while Windows scans the selected drive for errors. The time required depends on the size of the drive and the amount of data stored on it. It is important not to interrupt the scan to avoid further issues. Step 8, once the scan is complete, click on View Details if you want to see the full scan report. This shows you whether any errors were found and what actions were taken. Reviewing the details helps you understand your drive's condition. Step 9. If errors are found, follow the on-screen instructions and restart your computer if prompted. Restarting allows Windows to repair certain errors that cannot be fixed while the system is running. This step ensures the fixes are properly applied. Step 10. If no errors are detected, simply close the window to finish the process. Your drive is healthy and no further action is needed. Regularly checking your drive helps maintain overall system performance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.